Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Randolph County in southwestern Illinois until 5:15 a.m. At 4:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Evansville, or 8 miles northeast of St. Genevieve, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Ruma, Roots, Evansville, Ellis Grove, Preston, Walsh, New Palestine, Chester, Blair, Bremen, Sparta, Welch, Eden, Steelerville, Shiloh Hill, and Percy. This includes the following state parks: Piney Creek Ravine State Natural Area and Randolph County State Recreation Area. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. The National Weather Service has issued severe